In today's video, let me teach you the way that you enable notifications on Venmo. If you recently have not received any sort of notifications from Venmo, whether they be push notifications or email notifications, they may have been blocked off or turned off within your Venmo app. To head over to the notification settings, let's open up the app of Venmo first of all. From your Venmo app, in order to head over to the notifications, tap on the settings option on the top right of the screen. If you're not on the screen right now, tap on the Me section on the bottom right and then head over to settings on the top right. From this settings page, you'll see a bunch of options that you can go through. The one that you want is the option called notifications. Just tap on this option. Now inside of the notification settings, there are three options that you can choose from: push notifications, text notifications, and email notifications. You need to go through each one of them and make sure that they are enabled. To make sure that they are enabled, you just need to toggle these options on. So for you, if the toggle button is off, you just need to toggle these notifications on, and then you should be now able to receive any of these notifications, whether they be push notifications, text notifications, or even email notifications if you enable them. So that's the quick way on the way that you enable notifications on Venmo. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.